There are places on Earth where time behaves differently, where clocks malfunction, where satellites lose synchronization, where people enter and return older, or younger, or never return at all. Science refuses to label it. Governments refuse to discuss it. And those who have been near it are warned to stay silent. This is not myth, not legend, not fiction. This is a real location, a zone where time itself appears to slow, distort, or completely stop. And tonight, you're about to enter one of the most forbidden regions ever discovered on Earth. This is Earth Blacklist. The anomaly was first detected in the late 1970s. During a classified satellite calibration test, engineers noticed something impossible. A cluster of atomic clocks, the most precise instruments ever created, began to desynchronize. Only when passing over a specific region. Milliseconds became seconds. Seconds became minutes. At first, it was blamed on software errors. But when the same effect occurred on completely independent systems, panic followed. Time was not passing normally there. The zone lies in an isolated region, far from major cities, far from shipping routes, far from civilization. Official maps show nothing unusual. But classified overlays tell another story. A circular area nearly 12 kilometers wide, where satellite imaging becomes unstable. Infrared distorts. Radar bends. GPS signals lag behind real movement. Planes rerouted. Drones malfunctioning. Communication delays of up to 90 seconds. Not interference. Temporal displacement. In 1983, a joint scientific task force approved a controlled ground experiment. 3 identical atomic clocks were used. 1 remained outside the zone. 1 placed at the perimeter. 1 carried directly into the center. The team stayed inside for exactly 6 hours. When they exited, the results were undeniable. The clock at the center was, for minutes behind the others. Time had moved slower inside. No radiation. No gravitational spike. No known explanation. Soon after, human trials were authorized. Volunteers entered the zone, wearing biometric sensors. Heart rate normal. Brain activity unchanged. Body temperature stable. But subjective experience varied. One participant reported being inside for less than an hour. Another swore it felt like 2 full days. Yet all exited together. When medical exams were completed, doctors noticed something disturbing. Cellular aging markers were inconsistent. Some volunteers showed accelerated aging. Others showed cellular regression. Time had not slowed equally. It had behaved selectively. At the exact center of the zone lies something buried beneath the ground. Seismic scans reveal a massive structure. Smooth, symmetrical, and completely unlike natural rock. Perfect angles. Uniform density. No erosion. Estimated depth, 400 meters. Estimated size, unknown. Whatever it is, it bends time around it, like gravity bends space. 3 theories dominate classified discussion. Theory 1 asterisk. An ancient machine, left behind by a forgotten civilization. Not human. Not recent. A relic from a time when Earth was different. Theory 2 asterisk. A natural time anomaly. A rare fracture in spacetime. caused by unknown planetary conditions. But no similar zone exists anywhere else on Earth. Which raises the question: why here? Theory 3, the most disturbing asterisk. The zone is a containment field. Time itself. Used as a barrier. Not to protect us from the zone, but to keep something inside it. In 1997, an unauthorized experiment occurred. A research team attempted to drill into the structure beneath the zone. The drill reached 312 meters. Before instruments began reporting impossible data, negative time drift, reverse signal echo, data arriving before it was sent. Then, silence. The drill collapsed inward. The shaft sealed itself. And for exactly 47 seconds, every clock within a 50-kilometer radius stopped. When time resumed, the project was terminated. All records classified. The zone sealed permanently. Modern satellites still monitor the area. And something has changed. The time distortion is expanding by millimeters per year. Almost undetectable, but measurable. Which means whatever lies beneath is not dormant. It's active, or stabilizing, or failing. And no one knows what happens when time can no longer contain it. This place still exists. Hidden, restricted, silenced. A zone where time is no longer absolute. Where physics breaks its own rules. Where the past and the future lose meaning. And the most terrifying question remains: if time itself was used as a barrier, what was it built to hold? This is Earth Blacklist. Subscribe. Because some places don't want to stay hidden. And some stories won't wait forever.